A public response is emerged from the wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga following remarks attributed to former Northern legislator Themba Mliswa regarding alleged coup claims. The exchange discussed during a live broadcast is intensified political debate online. Sarabina Mashkobra Nyukachinzi, VP Chiwenga's wife responds to Themba Mliswa over allegations of coup. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina Mnaumobra Nyukamchinzi. According to the broadcast, Mliswa raised concerns or allegations suggesting involvement in activities linked to destabilization narratives. In response, VP Chiwenga's wife is reported to have rejected the claims, describing them as unfounded and politically motivated. The term coup carries significant constitutional weight under Zimbabwe's legal framework. Any allegation of unconstitutional action would require formal investigation, security confirmation, and legal process. No official state institution has issued a statement confirming such activity. Political activists note that periods of heightened leadership debate often generate strong rhetorical exchanges among public figures. However, differences in political messaging do not equate to confirmed institutional action. Observers emphasize that allegations involving national security matters require verification through official channels. As of publication, no documented evidence from law enforcement or the judiciary has substantiated claims of unconstitutional conduct. The exchange reflects broader tensions within Zimbabwe's political discourse, particularly amid ongoing debates concerning government continuity and constitutional reform. Further clarity is expected through formal statements from relevant offices. Until then, the matter remains part of the political debate rather than confirmed institutional developments. Ndo mashuku aripo pamusoro pema-allegations ekunzi aiwa ari kuronga eCoop. Pena comment section medu zafungura enyi mari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usaona subscribe or like, onchete on the bell icon.